Hi, I'm Mark, and today you join me at this 3-bed terrace property in Dawley, Telford. It's got 2 double bedrooms, the kitchen has been remodernised, the bathroom's been modernised, and it's got downstairs WC. It does come with garage, and there is communal parking here as well, but it's got some really good potential. We have some land to the side which wraps around the back of the property. Now you can landscape this beautifully, or potentially look to get an extension put on the side. So come with me and let me show you around this property now. Okay guys, you've had a chance to have a look around this 3-bed terrace in Dawley. Hope you've enjoyed the tour as much as I've enjoyed doing it with you. If you are interested in the property, feel free to reach out to me on 077 89 647 226, or reach out to me on social media. Send me a message, comment on this post, whatever you want to do, but get in touch. I'm looking to get people booked in onto my VIP viewing list so that you can get into the property before it goes live on the portals. And that's it from me. I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you later guys.